Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Law offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here. Let's see, it says right here, we had problems with our neighbor. One day my husband hid drugs in his car. My husband called the police. They arrived. My husband told them that the neighbor was selling drugs. They made the search and they found it. 2 months later, my husband was arrested because the other neighbor had surveillance cameras, and you could see when my husband planted the drugs that the police found. Yeah, that's gonna be a violation of Penal Code Section 141. It's a misdemeanor. This carries up to 6 months in the county jail. 6 months in the county jail for a misdemeanor 141. You cannot be planting evidence in somebody else's car. Matter of fact, this sounds like a bit of a low punishment, quite frankly, because if you're planting enough drugs in somebody's car to where to where they have enough drugs to be charged with possession for sale, they're looking at a potential of 5 years state prison. Quite frankly, since you're the one that planted it, you're also going to be charged with a violation of Penal Code Section, actually a Health and Safety Code Section 11351, which is possession of drugs with intent to sell, because how else were you in possession of those controlled substances, especially if we're talking about large quantities. So yeah, that's definitely something that you don't want to be doing. I know you're upset with your neighbor. If your neighbor does something to you, ask for a civil protective order or something of that nature, or if he threatens you, call the police. But don't be planting evidence, because you're going to be charged with a crime. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers. DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys. DUI attorney, DUI attorney.